After 7 refusals under the spousal sponsorship application, and even after receiving a procedural fairness notice, our client's wife was finally reunited with him in Canada. After a very long and hard battle with IRCC, we were successful. Here we go. This is Ishan Sheikh with Prestige Law, your Canadian immigration lawyer, helping you and everyone and all your families with any type of family sponsorship, immigration refusals, appeals, judicial reviews, anything you like. But I'd like to talk to you about the story right now, very quickly. One of our clients, his case was submitted under spousal sponsorship, and from the very beginning, IRCC was showing discrimination towards him because he was previously married, in spite of the fact that we provided the divorce certificate, everything, and they kept on refusing his application based on bias and discrimination and based on predetermined factors, which were not actually part of the fact scenario. And simply based on suspicion, they had refused his case many times. So saying that, one, we had finally answered the procedural fairness letter, which had come at the end after 7 refusals without any valid reasons. We finally were able to convince IRCC under humanitarian compassion grounds, in addition to the evidence that we provided, in certain governments and certain jurisdictions, that it takes time to provide the divorce certificates, in spite of the fact that the divorce had already taken place. So that's what had happened in our case. The divorce had already taken place, but and our client had remarried. And when he had remarried, the marriage certificate had arrived before the divorce certificate was issued, in spite of the fact that divorce had happened. And after explaining this repeatedly and then clearly to IRCC, finally they accepted our position and issued permanent residency under the family class sponsorship to our client and his wife, and they finally reunited in Canada recently. So we're very happy with that result. So are our clients. They're extremely happy. So if you guys need help, let us know. All right, take care.